What's up, guys? Today we're going to be looking at how to make a Metamask on your mobile device. So it's going to be pretty easy. First, you want to download the app from the App Store or the Play Store, depending on if you're Apple or Android, whatever device you're using. This is what it looks like when you open it up. So you'll just go ahead and click Get Started. What we're going to be doing today is creating a new wallet. So make sure you agree to these terms, and if you agree, go ahead and select I agree. Create a new password. So this is just for a video. I'm not really going to put any money on this. So make sure you have a good password for yourself. You can click sign in with Face ID. I'm going to turn that off because I'm not going to be using this in the future. I understand that Metamask cannot recover this password for me. So write this password down. Don't mess anything up. Look, here's a cute little video about your secret recovery phrase, so you can watch this. Basically, it's a random string of words that you use to secure your account. So here's some tips about how to secure your wallet, and then we're going to go ahead and get that security phrase. Go ahead and confirm our password first. Hope we didn't forget already. So now we can view this here. It says don't screenshot it. You should write it down, but I'm going to go ahead and screenshot it because this is just a video. So when you get here, it's going to tell you to put your stuff in order. So you should have written it down, hopefully. So all you have to do is click them and make sure that you put them down in the right order as where you had it. I'm just going to skip to the end. All right, it was a success. Now I'll complete the backup. Congratulations. All right, now you have a Metamask wallet. Now that you have a Metamask wallet, you can interact with the Web 3.0 and all kinds of decentralized applications. But that's basically it, how to create your Metamask wallet in a few easy steps. I have a few other short videos coming up about how to connect to OpenSea and how to edit your OpenSea profile from a mobile device. So be looking forward for those, and thanks for watching this video.